Good morning, students. Today we have solved BGAM method from Operation Research. BGAM method is also known as penalty method. If your GTU examination standard LPP form VR says solve LPP for penalty method, so penalty method is also BGAM method. Remember that. If constraint which is greater than or equal to type, if constraint greater than or equal to type, we add slack variable on the right hand side and artificial variable on left hand side. ये मेन की पॉइंट है वो रिमेंबर करने. इफ कंस्ट्रेंट विच इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू टाइप वी एड स्लैक वेरिएबल ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड that is s denoted by an artificial variable on left hand side that is denoted by a. If constraint only less than or equal to type we add only slack variable on left hand side. If constraint only less than or equal to type we add only slack variable left hand side that is s. If constraint is equal to type then only one artificial variable is added left hand side. If constraint is equal to type only artificial variable added that is a. We are solved first example LPP form given in page. Maximize z is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2 and subject to constraint there is three subject to constraint. First constraint is 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 30. Second constraint is 3x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 24. And last constraint is x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 3. And all decision variables are greater than or equal to 0. That is x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. First step is solve standard LPP form. Question is available in LPP form and we are transformed to standard LPP form from BGAM method. ठीक है. Here third constraint is greater than or equal to type. So adding slack variable on the right hand side and artificial variable on left hand side. That is third constraint is x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 3. We have convert to equality form and add artificial variable on right hand side and slack variable on left hand side. Third constraint that is a3 and s3. So third constraint is x1 plus x2 plus a3 is equal to 3 plus s3. s3 is given to opposite direction, so we get minus s3. x1 plus x2 plus a3 minus s3 is equal to 3. So LPP standard form is maximize z is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 माइनस एम ए थ्री. अब ये माइनस कहाँ से आया? माइनस एम. BGAM मीन्स माइनस एम आएगा और कौन से कंस्ट्रेंट में आएगा? विच कंस्ट्रेंट गिवन टू माइनस एम या और प्लस एम. तो इफ कंस्ट्रेंट एनी कंस्ट्रेंट we are add slack variable artificial variable that is minus m is required. Here our LPP form is maximize. So maximize that is minus m. If our objective function is minimized, so we add plus m. Here for example standard LPP form given third constraint is greater than or equal to, so we are add artificial variable on right hand side. That is our objective function is minus m a3 because our standard LPP form maximization objective function. If minimize, so we are add plus m a3. So maximize z is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 minus m a3. Subject to constraint is 2x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is equal to 30. Second subject to constraint 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s2 is equal to 24. And third constraint is x1 plus x2 plus a3 minus s3 is equal to 3. And all decision variables and slack variables and artificial variables greater than or equal to 0. We are see first table CJ 64000 minus m. We are given to standard LPP form First table we are given to standard LPP form. Second row basic value is S1, S2 and artificial variable. We are not add S3. If any constraint given to artificial variable, we are consider only artificial variable, that is A3. And basic value CB is 0, 0, minus M. First constraint is x1, x2, s1, s2, s3 and a3. We have put down the table value from all three constraints. First constraint is 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0. And bi equal to right hand side value, we are that value is our bi, basic value of left hand side, that is bi is equal to 30. Second constraint 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 24. Third constraint is 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 3. And we are find out the zj. And how we are find out zj? Multiplication and addition of basic value and constraint. First we are s1 0 into 2 plus 0 into 3 plus minus m into 1. So we are get minus m for x1, minus m put down, write down. And second for s2, 0 into 3 plus 0 into 2 plus minus m into 1, we get minus m. Third value from zj for s1, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus minus m into 0, that is 0. Fourth value is 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0 into minus m, that is 0. And we are find out to a3, then up to a3, then we get cj minus zj. Cj value 6, minus minus plus m, zj second for x2, 4 plus 1 m, third 0, 0, minus m and 0. And we are find out the key column, that is maximum value from cj minus zj, 6 plus 1 m. M we are consider 0 and positive. First we are consider 0, so 6 plus 0, that is 6 is maximum value. So we are find out x1 column 2, 3 and 1. In this 3 value 2, 3 and 1, we are divided by bi. So we get find out theta, that is 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So we are find out theta 15. 24 divided by 3, we get 8. And 3 divided by 1, we get 3. We all get 3 values from theta, 15, 8 and 3. And minimum value, that is key row. 15, 8 and 3, minimum value is 3. So we get arrow in put down, key row is 3. And how we are key column and key row intersect, that value is our key value, that is key number. And entering variable from put down new table, entering variable is x1, leaving variable from a3 and key number is 1. So you write down from new table cj 64000 minus m and basic value cb x1, x2, s1, s2, s3, a3 and bi. Then we are first up find out new row from x1 and basic value is 6 and key number is our 1. So third row we are divided by key value, full third row we are divided by key value, that is 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 0 by 1, 0 by 1, minus 1 by 1, a3 1 by 1 and bi 3 by 1. All values are same divided by 1. So we get third row first 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 3. And that we are find out the new value from s2. We are calculated how we are find out new value. So we get old value from old table. For s2 we are find out x1 value, old table value is 3 minus same value 3 into old value from third row first table 1 is equal to 0. Second x2 2 minus old value is 3 and old value from third row 1 is equal to minus 1. third x1, we get 0 minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. We are find out all value from same procedure up to bi. So bi 24 minus old value is 3 and new cell value old value is multiplied by 3, and 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. We all get value put down for new table above. Same procedure we get S1. So we are find out all S1 values and put down S1 and S2 value from above table. So S1 for x1 we get 2 minus 2 oldest value into multiply old value from third row is equal to 0. Up to old value we get bi, same procedure. 30 minus old value is 2 into multiply oldest value bi third row 3. 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Put down all value, we all get same procedure, find out zj multiplication with addition. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 6 into 1, so we get 6. Same all value zj we are find out, cj minus zj calculated and maximum value find out. 0 minus 2 0 0 6 minus m minus 6. We all get values, find out cj minus zj and maximum value is 6. So put down arrow maximum value, that is our key column, and find out 3 value 2 3 and minus 1 we are divided by bi. So we get find out theta, that is 24 divided by 2, theta value is 12, 15 divided by 3, theta value is 5, and 3 divided by minus 1, theta value is minus 3, and we get minimum value. We are not considered any negative value from maximize and minimize value. So here we are minimum value is 5. Not consider any negative value, means minus 3. So 5 is key row and key value is our 3. We are key row and key value intersected. Same procedure we have find out new cell value from cj minus zj. Third table we are solve divided by key value. Entering variable is our s3, leaving variable is s2, and basic value is put down 0. Third row divided by key value 3, so we get all value from bi. Same we are find out new cell value s1 and x1. So we are find out for first of s1. The x1 we are get it 0 minus 2 into multiply by oldest value 0 is equal to 0. s2 1 minus 2 into multiply by minus 0.33, that is equal to 1.66 is equal to 1.7. Same procedure we are all find out up to bi. Bi is equal to 24 minus 2 into oldest value old value, that is 5 is equal to 14. Same procedure from x1 method, we are find out x1, and last we are find out zj and cj minus zj value. So where our example is closed, here cj minus zj is either 0 or negative, that is solution is optimal. So we get cj minus zj all value 0 0 0 minus 1.99 98 0 into minus m. So all value is 0, either 0 or negative, that is our optimal solution. That is our example here is stopped, and we are get find out the value of x1 x2 and z. So we get find out x1 and x2 value. X1 value is bi, x1 third row, and last value is bi, we get x1 value. Third row we get x1 basic value is x1 and bi value is 8. So that is x1 is equal to 8, and x2 we are here not find out any xu value, so that is xu value is 0. We are not get any x2 value, so that is x2 value is equal to 0. x1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to 0. We are get put down x1 and x2 value is our objective function. X1 6x1 plus 4x2.
So that is 6 into x1 value is 8 plus 4 into x2 value is 0. Then 6 into 8 48 plus 4 into 0 into 0. That is 48 plus 0. That is objective function maximum value is, find out z value is 48. So we get find out optimal solution from big M method given LPP form. X1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to 0 and z is equal to 48. So we are stop here. If any doubt, so write down in any comment, and we next lecture also solve big M method second example for new.